God bless you. Yeah, what your husband they tell you say you they fuck all your friend.
Mama, that one, no be true. Now just one, no be all your friends. Let me take mama and tell her. Let me confess to that. Make forgive me. I don't beg. I don't know what you want.
How many? Wait now, may you not cry. Wait. How many of your friends you fuck?
Now just one.
Now just one.
That he will forgive me. I don't beg you, my mother don't beg her. You know why he won't kill himself. Make you happy, make forgive me that devil.
The time when you fuck that in friend. Wait, the time when you fuck that in friend, where your husband did that time?
He did have.
In their house.
Now 5 years ago, that is happy. He did a bottom because I don't come back or pay so that he will forgive me.
Give your husband phone.
Not because they happy. Now the beggar, he don't come back on Mama won't die because of this matter.
Give your husband phone.
Make you forgive me.
Give her phone.
I don't know what I want to do again.
Give her a phone. Everybody they confess. May he forgive you. Give your husband a phone.
Hello. Yes, are they here? Hello. Yes, are they here?
I beg your wife say now she confessed to you.
No be say he fuck her. He give her belle when he born my last pikin, carry give me. And
Jesus, oh! Now the boy give her belle.
Thank you.
Now your husband friend, I give you belle when you dey your husband house.
Mama, the picking, and we're not sure because I told her that I say the man they sleep with me that time. Now that time I can't get the line got confused the picking and it's where
Wait. Now another body you the fuck her. How you go to your husband house? You go the fuck? Oh Jesus! So wait. How many times your husband friend fuck you?
Ivano.
2 times with another body.
Yes.
Now when you don't finish your menses, you calculate and where?
Oh.
No, I'm not calculating that. I'm not calculating the menses that time.
Tell her the pikin result with the man.
Okay, the pikin is your husband. Give your husband a phone. Wait, I'll settle now.
Let me talk.
Tell her the truth.
He said the pikin resembles the man.
Mama, you know the job. As I come to that tell her, I can look at when he the job. How many years when me and he stay here? Because the job. Immediately I tell her, I can look the pikin where. You know the job of the man at all. For where I did. The day when I go to the class, I say I don't sign. The pikin oh God, I recognize me as the father of the pikin. Now me sign that time. Hello, mommy.